I want to sleep more, but freshened up, whatever it is, and we start the day. Yo, I am back. I am finally back. I took half an hour to eat. और मैंने खाना तो इतने आराम से खाया जैसे मेरा कोई प्रोजेक्ट एवेल्यूएशन नहीं है अभी. But unfortunately, I do have a project evaluation of DBMS, which is Database Management System, and I have no idea what the sir is going to ask. I hope. I mean, बस 7 मिनट का evaluation है तो I don't know what or not he will ask, and it is, and I have just half an hour to prepare. Whatever, it's fine. Hello guys, I am ready to slay. I have worn minimal fashionable clothing just so, I don't know why I even said that, but I prepared jitna I could. I don't care whatever he asks, but like, who cares? I don't care. I think I need a few more brain cells. मेरा evaluation था भी नहीं आज. It was clearly mentioned कि it is on 2nd May and today is 1st May, and why did I go? I wasted. And like आज, wait, let me go to the room. I'm in my room. भाई बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो रही है. Oh my god, पंखा. पसीने छूट गए मेरे, but I am dumb. I need more brain cells. What am I going to do now? 11 बज गए. I'm probably just going to study and call it a day. Woohoo! All I had to do was just look at the instructions properly, but B-roll, whatever, it's fine. अब कल होगा evaluation and पता चला आज का मैंने जो भी पढ़ा वो मैं कल भूल गई and सर पूछते हैं बेटा ये क्वेरी बताओ. सर नहीं पता मेरे को, भूल गई मैं. It's fine, whatever we roll. यार वैसे it would have been better अगर आज हो जाता, because the strict वाले sir was not there. He was busy with some of his other work. So the good sir, the lab वाला sir was there and he was asking questions. But he'll probably be, but the strict wala sir will probably be there tomorrow. It'll be sad. आज लेने में क्या जा रहा. Whatever. B-roll. पढ़ने का मन तो नहीं कर रहा है. I feel like पढ़ाई is kind of useless. Not like useless in the sense कि useless, but like मैं वही चीज़ जो तुम मुझे पढ़ा रहे, I can just chat GPT it and get the answers. Like it should, I think universities should teach only like logical stuff and leave the theory up to us. I think it'll be much better. But like, whatever, I'm not a board of directors of any educational board out there. It's fine, I can't do shit. I mean, I can do shit, but like, you know what, whatever. आज क्या करेंगे, that we will see. मैंने वैसे आज का like game plan बना लिया. If you guys can see, it is ta-dun, and this is a cute little robot for you and a heart for you. But today मेरा plan था DIP. I will do DIP is digital image processing. I will do digital DIP. I will मेरे को बोला नहीं जा रहा क्या मेरे से. I will do DIP in the morning if possible, and then 9:30 to 1:30 it would go in the DBMS evaluation. That's what I thought, but whatever. Nap time and then OSCN. यार पढ़ना तो बहुत है. Whatever, I'm just gonna study. I'm gonna shut my mouth up and I'm going to study.
12 seconds later.
It is so hard to study with the camera over here. I always go to the library and study because because मेरा bed बस मेरे पीछे ही है. So anytime I'm not able to figure shit out, I can just take a nap. Now with camera over here, I don't know what to do. Anyways, we were doing. I think I'm going to. I think DIP कर लेते हैं. Okay, so it is 11 बज गए now. 11 बज गए now. 11 बज रहे हैं फ़िलहाल. तो 11 से 12 I will do DIP. Then I'll probably just waste my time. आधा घंटा take a nap or something. You know what? Let's just start studying. Whatever. I'm going to make a hyperlapse. That will be better. उसमें मेरे को बोलना नहीं पड़ेगा. बट इसमें मेरे को बस ऐसे बक 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 करने की इच्छा हो रही है. बट गर्मी बहुत हो रही है. गर्मी हो रही है तो लाइक नींद भी आ रही है यार थोड़ी सी. शुड आई जस्ट टेक अ नैप? नो नो. इफ़ यू आर वॉचिंग दिस एंड यू वांट टू टेक अ नैप from your study, no, do not. You will sit and study 1 hour and then we can take a nap. Yeah, I'm gonna make a hyperlapse. My god, I get distracted so fast. Anyways, कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ा मैंने. I am just trying to remove the background noise that was there in the previous video, which will probably be in this video as well, क्योंकि मैंने पंखा 4 की स्पीड पे चला रखा है एंड बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो रही है. कुछ नहीं पढ़ाई करी मैंने. Guess to try to sleep me, but did sleep come to me? No. So I just laid down for 15 minutes and now I'm gonna go have lunch. यार क्यों नहीं हो रही पढ़ाई? I'm finally back and I'm ready to slay and I made my proper game plan. मैं अभी DIP करने वाली हूँ, फिर CN करूँगी and OS and then some coding and we'll call it a fucking day. That is it. That is the. I think I'll also go to the gym because it's been a good few days since I've been to the gym, so I'll do that. And now I'm going to make a hyperlapse of me studying. So peace out. Why would I say that? Whatever. You know how they say 30 minutes का nap नहीं लेना चाहिए? That is exactly what I did and I slept for more than 30 minutes. It's been 45 minutes. And I still want to sleep. And now my head is aching a little because I took more than 30 minutes. हाँ यार मैं सोने जा रही. गुड नाइट. Guess who studied for 1 hour 6 minutes? This bitch right here. Should I watch Brooklyn Nine-Nine? No. Then I'll get. फिर मेरे को डोपामीन हिट हो जाएगा और फिर मेरे को बस ब्रुकलिन 99 की ही चिंता होती रहेगी. No, I am not doing that. Or should I? I mean, I have to kind of be productive for the sake of making this video. So maybe I can just watch one episode and I think I'm just going to watch one episode of Brooklyn Nine-Nine and be right back.
2 hours later.
I have finished watching 2 episodes. और मेरी अभी क्विज भी थी. 15 मिनट की क्विज थी, मैंने 5 मिनट में कर दी because I'm smart as fuck. And now I have to get in the zone of studying again because कल एक और इवैल्यूएशन है और उसका भी पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी. Why do you wanna just why I don't wanna do this, but to get in the zone I think I need a nap. So I'm gonna go take a nap and then we're going to study again. And नहीं पढ़ना यार मेरे को, क्या बकवास है, क्या कर रही हूँ. Anyways, you know what, good night, bye. I slept for 5 minutes and and then I went to have snacks and I bought this, and now we're going to study for 1 hour. At least 1 hour, please. And I'm not gonna take a nap at all अब, because अब 6 बज गए हैं और अब थोड़ा सा काम करना पड़ेगा because oh my god. Anyways, let the पढ़ाई begin. Woohoo, I have finished a little bit of पढ़ाई. I did not even like learn इतना, like मैंने बस YouTube वीडियो देखा है and it just doesn't make sense. Like I'm just memorizing stuff. Like, I mean, I don't know, like the people who would want to take it, I don't know what to say. It's fine. I just don't. All I want to say is I hate this. I hate studying. Like थोड़ा सा इसमें लॉजिक होना चाहिए honestly. क्या मतलब मेरे पे बहुत सारा लॉजिक है नहीं है, but I'm gonna go and have fun नीचे. Oh, see, I can do a very cool thing with the pen. Wait. I know this technique also. Yeah, anyways, I'm an anime character who can spin pens. I wish I was an anime character, bhai. Life would be so much better. I'm just, yeah, bye.